Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your Motorola Moto G5s, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type fluid wallpaper. We have to get this application from Magic Fluids 3, Mad Science Studio. Let's open. And here's the first theme of this wallpaper, but we can also change it by clicking here, tap to set as a live wallpaper, tap on the settings icon, and my favorite is the glitter theme, so let's get it. Then you have to simply go back, and here it is. So right now we can set this as a wallpaper, so click, then just go back. And as you can see, here we got this beautiful live wallpaper on our Moto G5s. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.